Well, let's check out this carrier bearings, see what we got going on. You can see there's quite a bit of play in them. What I've already done, you can see here, got the nut loosened up and I got the snap ring popped loose because it fits in the groove. But as you can see, somebody welded the nut to the axle, so I'm going to have to grind that weld down so I can get this nut slid apart, because the axle has to slide through the housing. Then I got to get the brake rotor and all that removed also. So first thing, I need to take the wheel off. That'll give me room to be able to grind that off. Let's get the cotter pin removed. Get the nut off of here, if I can. At least that wasn't on there very tight. Now to slip the hub off. Let's see if it comes off of here. There we go. And now take the O-ring off. Now I can get a grinder on here and get that taken down. Alright. Got my grinder. Always make sure you got your guard on. I've seen so many people use these with the guards off. The disc explodes, it's going to shoot right through you, and it's going to put you in the hospital, I guarantee it. Let's get this ground down and well, maybe if I can get the grinder to work. Yeah, that's what we like to see. The problem is somebody put another weld on this, putting the two nuts together. I need to cut that loose. That way these will come apart. And then you got this also. Which the shaft looks like the teeth have been ground off of it. Or it's just not sticking out far enough. Something don't seem right. There's the teeth. It's a washer. I said I need to take the brake disc off next. Well, I'm going to take the disc off this way. It's up here, oh you can't see it. Up here, somebody has broken off the head of the bolt. So I'm going to take this whole bracket out and drill that back out. So in order to get the disc off, I'm going to have to take it loose like this. So that's what I'm going to do. I can keep the wrench on the nut. This one was loose. Not ready to fall off anyway. I'll get the disc off. Oh really? It just slide right off. What the hell? Okay, I got it off. It was just stuck. Set that up there out of the way. There's that. Next thing will be take the chain off. And then the whole thing will slide out to the side. So I need to find the master link on the chain to pop that loose. So I found the master link. See if I can zoom in on it. Right here, but the little clip is missing. That's okay, I've got another one. See if we can get that popped off. Without destroying anything. There it goes. Got it. Get the little O-rings. Gotta keep those. I can put those back on it. I'm just going to put this back together. And let it hang right there. Good enough. Now the whole thing should just slide right on out. Hopefully. Might have to wiggle it around some. Loose as those bearings are, they probably should. And there it is. Alrighty. It's out. Now to get this, the bracket for the brake caliper holder, this has a snap ring under here that holds this on. See if I can get it to come out of here. Well, these things ain't going to be wide enough. Let me figure something else out. Well, let's see if we can try it this way. Get some of it. And then twist the rest off. Without shooting yourself in the face with it. And then the bracket comes right up. You can see here. Right there's where the bolt broke off. I'm going to have to drill that out. And so that I can get another bolt to hold that in place, but that's okay. Yeah, I think the bearings are pretty well shot, don't you? Alright, we got to get this carrier out of here. There it is. Carrier bearing removed. Covered in sand. And we get those bearings popped out of there. See what kind of shape we got.